Let get into some mathematical abstraction. Okay, how the computation works behind behind quantum computer. Let's start with vector spaces, where we'll be learning the vector addition axioms, scalar multiplications, and its properties. In this lecture, will there are two operations. Suppose, let's say, first we'll understand what is a vector space. A vector space I will write it in capital V, is a non-empty set with elements u comma v called vectors. That means in a vector space we are having u comma v, where u and v are also vectors. Okay, and that is not the case. The both vectors, I mean the vector space v, should support the two properties, two operations. Support two operations. The first one is, any guesses? It's vector addition and scalar multiplication. Okay, first we'll learn about vector addition. Okay, what is an vector addition? Again, suppose, let's say we are having two vectors u comma v in our vector space capital V, and such that a new vector w should be w means u plus v is also presented in our vector space. Okay, suppose the addition of u plus v will result in vector w, and the w should be also present in our vector space v. Then it is a vector addition. Okay, there are four axioms in vector addition. Okay, first axiom 1, associativity. Associativity rule of addition. It means addition of u plus v plus w should be equal to addition of vector u plus bracket open vector v plus w. The LHS result should be equal to the RHS result. Next, axiom 2. If there is a zero vector, okay, if there is a zero vector in our vector space, Then addition of u plus 0 equal to, and u plus 0 plus u should result in u. Okay. Next, axiom 3, which means for all vector u belongs to vector space V, there exists an additive inverse of u. Additive inverse of u vector such that u plus inverse in the sense, additive inverse in the sense, change the symbol, equal to minus u plus u should be equal to 0. Okay, this is the third property. Now axiom 4, it is quite simple and easy to understand. It is addition of vectors is commutative. This is the last and final axiom, which means addition of u plus v will result in the addition of v plus u. Okay. I don't want to brush up everything in a single video, it will make you confused. So we have finished the vector addition. In next video we'll look into scalar multiplication and what are the properties does scalar multiplication holds. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in next video.